Good day. I am Hazell Roberts, a retired hospitality and home economist. Today, I am teaming up with the Zero Hunger Trust to prepare a simple Vincy lunch, one that consists mainly of local foods. We are using the ground provision, Eddos, and locally obtained turkey to make a shredded turkey casserole. We will have a simple tossed salad, an orange cake. So I bought my Eddos at the local vegetable market. I'm going to peel my Eddos and put them to boil in 2 cups of water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is optional, so you can choose not to add salt if you so desire. Having washed my peeled Eddos, added my salt to my pot, I'm going to put my Eddos in the pot to boil until soft. That will be approximately 10 minutes. Our Eddos are now boiled, soft, and cooled, and we are now going to crush our Eddos. Continue crushing our Eddos. Using a crusher, I like my Eddos smooth, so you can choose whether you want to make it a bit crunchy and determine how soft you want it to be crushed. Completely crushed. I put the Eddos aside now, and I'm going to prepare the turkey to make our casserole. I'll change my cutting board. It is important that when cooking, especially dealing with meats, you use a clean cutting board. So I have chosen to use this yellow one, and that's for all meats. I bought my turkey at the local market, clean, seasoned, and I boiled it soft. I started shredding with the interest of time. I'll show you how I did my shredding. I want my turkey to be a bit chunky because shredded, it will leave the bone easily. Ensuring that there is no bone remaining. There I have 2 cups of shredded turkey, and I am going to make my mixture. My turkey, 1/2 cup breadcrumb, 1 cup of milk, and my chopped chive and celery. They're all going to be heated with 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot, and then I'll add my turkey and get my turkey mixture to add to my Eddos. Okay, so I take my frying pan and 2 tablespoons of oil and get them heated on the stove, the cooker. I have greased my casserole dish, which I'm gonna place my shredded turkey Eddo casserole in for the interest of time. And let's check on the oil to see if it's hot enough. getting hot. I'm going to add my chive and celery to the heated oil. Now I'll add my breadcrumb. And finally, my shredded turkey. Two minutes and our turkey will be done. Now, while we wait on the turkey, I'm going to add the milk to the crushed Eddos. Milk is optional. If you do not like to consume milk, it's okay. You can use water. Let's get the shredded turkey from the cooker. Give it a stir. I have preheated my oven already at 350 degrees. Now that I have both my Eddos and my shredded turkey ready, I am going to place them in the casserole dish, layered. First, I'm gonna add a thin layer of the Eddo mixture, then the turkey, Eddo, turkey, and I'll finally end off with the Eddos. Be generous at the bottom, you do not want any sticking. Now, I add my turkey. Add a bit more. Then I top it with some of the Eddo. For vegetarians, you can remove the turkey and replace it with your chunks or whatever, let's get that, whatever filling that you would rather. Spread my Eddo evenly, making sure that all the meat is covered. Our casserole is completed now. If there is any excess on the edges of the bowl, you can clean that before placing in the oven. This will be baked in the next 30 minutes. So we'll check our time to make sure. Okay, our casserole is now in the oven. So we will give it 30 minutes until the top is golden brown. I have prepared and cooled One, so that we can, in the interest of time, so that we can see how it is. Okay, so we are now going to make a tossed salad. I'm using lettuce, carrots, red and green cabbage. So I add my red cabbage, not much. I don't want it to be too dark. My cabbage. Lettuce and carrots. I'll toss, incorporating all my vegetables together. If you so desire, you can add a little olive oil or whatever you like. If you like a little mayonnaise. However, I like my salad fresh and no added ingredient. I'll put our salad to chill until ready for serving. The next part of our lunch today is our pigeon peas, stewed pigeon peas. Pigeon peas, locally grown. When dried, it is a legume. When green, it is a vegetable. Now these dried pigeon peas take a very long time to cook. So I soaked overnight and boiled, at least an hour boiling. Here we have our cup of cooked pigeon peas ready to be stewed. On my cooker, I'll put my pot with 1 tablespoon of oil, saute my vegetables and add the pigeon peas, some turmeric, and salt to taste. Our oil is on the cooker, so I'm going to add my vegetables, saute all of my vegetables, sweet pepper, tomatoes, a little turmeric for flavor, and it would add some color, chive, and celery. Now my vegetables is sauteed. I'm gonna add my cooked pigeon peas and 1 cup of water. We allow 15 minutes for it to simmer and gather the flavors from the vegetables that was included. However, we have a dish of pigeon peas prepared for you to see how it will look. Now we are going to prepare our drink, which is a golden apple drink. Golden apple and ginger. I have washed thoroughly my golden apples and I've chopped. Now I'm going to chop some ginger, roughly chopped, and then I'm going to blend fine. I strain my ginger and golden apple. For dessert, we also have an orange cake made from local orange juice. However, you can choose to have a fruit if you so desire. Now, this is our lunch. I hope you enjoy.